Okay everybody, so today's video is going to be a first impressions video on the Makeup Revolution collab with Makeupbyjaack, and I bought it about a week ago. Haven't touched it till now. I just watched it a little bit, just watched it, but here it is right here. It's really pretty and sleek, and then when you open it, there are the colors right there, really pretty. I really like all the variations you can do and how some of them are like their own little palettes, which I think is really cool. It has a little cover right here that has the shade names on it, but I did this really burnt orange look and I am in love with it, especially this lid color. But I can't wait to show you guys how I do it. It's really easy, and this palette is only $15 on Ulta. And if you want to get a hold of it, you can. Stay tuned to the end of the video to hear, what my first impressions are. But I mean, goddamn, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so we just got done with the look, and this is the complete look right here. I did this burnt orange with this gold that is just, oh my god, do you see this gold? I'm gonna do a close-up right now, but this gold, oh my god. So I used the palette, and I used, oop, almost dropped that. I'm gonna have to put the paper on here just so that I know what the shades are. But I used Golden Hour, which is that burnt orange right there. I used Over It, which is this one up here, Drama, which is this one right here, and On My Way, which is this beautiful gold that's on my lid right here. And I used the same colors on the bottom. I really like it. It has a huge mirror. I did use a palette by Makeup Revolution about a couple of weeks ago, and I really did not care for it. I mean, I liked it at the beginning, and then ended up not really caring for it because of the matte colors were too cool toned, and they just didn't work with a lot of the shimmers that I actually enjoyed, the shimmers. But this one, for the colors that I have used already so far, I really enjoyed this, and from what I have swatched, I like it. So I'm going to do a couple more looks with this on my Instagram. Maybe I'll do another video. Let me know if you guys would like to see that, and then I will let you guys know kind of my final thoughts. But this is really good, especially for 15 bucks. You get a lot of colors, and I really enjoy it. And I love Jack's channel and his Instagram page, so I was really happy to support him too as well. So I would recommend this, even though this is a first impressions. It's $15, really good shadows. I like it. So I will see you guys next time in the video. Yes, okay, all right, I'm gonna go. My dog's barking. Can you hear my dog? Yeah. Okay, all right. Don't worry, I'm not gonna go and throw my dog across the room or spit on it like that dumb bitch did. But yeah, I can't, he's outside. But I wouldn't do that anyway. Okay, all right, bye. Don't hurt your animals, bye.